Most people get this wrong when choosing a CRM for a concrete business. They focus on flashy features and forget the one thing that actually matters: helping them win more jobs and manage projects without creating extra work. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM is not the one with the most tools. It's the one your team will actually use every day. In this video, you'll learn what makes a great CRM for concrete contractors in 2026, which features matter most, and how to choose the right platform for your business size and goals. Let's get straight into it. If you run a concrete business, your CRM needs to handle more than customer contacts. You need lead tracking, estimating, scheduling, job management, invoicing, and follow-up communication in one place. Imagine John owns a concrete company that installs driveways and patios. Every week, he gets dozens of quote requests. Without a CRM, leads get lost in text messages, emails, and notebooks. With the right CRM, every lead enters the system automatically, gets assigned a status, and receives follow-up reminders. That's the first feature you should look for: lead management. But here's the problem. Many CRMs are designed for office-based sales teams, not field service contractors. This is where most people fail. They buy software that looks impressive, but doesn't fit how concrete businesses actually operate. The second must-have feature is estimating and quoting. Concrete projects often vary in size and complexity. A good CRM should let you create professional estimates quickly and send them directly to customers. Faster quotes often mean faster approvals. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Scheduling and dispatching become critical as your company grows. Let's say Alex has 3 crews working across different neighborhoods. Without scheduling tools, double bookings and missed appointments become common. A CRM with scheduling capabilities keeps everyone organized and productive. In a minute, I'll show you what separates average CRMs from the best options. The next feature is automated follow-up. Most concrete jobs aren't sold during the first conversation. Customers compare prices and take time to decide. Automated emails and text reminders help keep your company top of mind without requiring extra effort from your team. Another important feature is mobile access. Your crews spend most of their time on job sites, not behind desks. The ability to update job information, upload photos, and communicate from a phone can save hours every week. Now here's the biggest differentiator: reporting. The best CRMs help you track lead sources, conversion rates, revenue, and job performance. Instead of guessing what's working, you can make decisions based on real numbers. So what's the best CRM for a concrete business in 2026? The answer depends on your size, budget, and workflow. But the best solutions combine lead management, estimating, scheduling, automation, mobile access, and reporting in one platform. Remember, the goal isn't just organizing contacts. The goal is winning more jobs and running a more efficient business. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software reviews and comparisons, and leave a comment with the CRM you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.